everyone! Today I'm introducing a newly upgraded Diamond Flame single wok burner hob. It has a black tempered glass top, heat resistant and easy to clean. Copper lid, durable, rust-free. Windproof frame focuses heat. Non-slip knob, instant ignition, no waiting. Wide flame control, powerful high, stable low heat. Designed for Pakistani stir-frying. Safety features, external flame control, auto gas shutoff for family protection. You deserve this! For order and information, contact Diamond Flame.